In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll down again to tap on Privacy here. Click on Permission Manager and select one of those devices features to manage it, or one of your apps to manage it. Wherever you decided, after selecting an app, you can either tap on one of those options to apply the best one, or select CO permissions and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!